Now, if you're wondering how to exactly use a Gemcutter Prism here in Path of Exile 2, well, this one is pretty simple. So, just to give you some idea here, a Gemcutter's Prism is used to improve the quality of your skill gem. So, basically, it adds basically buffs your skill. So, how do you use it? So, let's go and just bring up the skill window. So, just press G on your keyboard, like if you're using like keyboard and mouse. So in here you should see your skills. Like for example, if you want to improve your eye strike here, what you need to do is you want to go and just press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. As you can see right now, this is what it looks like. If press and hold on Alt, it should give you the additional effects from quality. Now basically it improves the attack speed on this skill gem. Now, if you want to see other options here, like for as you can see right now, 0 to 10% chance when you gain a charge to gain additional charge here. That's the additional effect from quality. So for example, I want to improve my combat frenzy here. So let's go ahead and go to our Gemcutters Prism, and you want to go ahead and right click on it so that you can start using it. It's going to be now yellow. You want to hover over the skill or skill that you want to improve or increase the quality for, and you want to go in this left click on it, and that should basically improve the quality of your skill. As you can see right now, it's from 0, it's now 2. So 2% chance when you gain a charge to gain additional charge. So yeah, so that's how you use a Gemcutters Prism. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was useful. So if you like and subscribe to our channel, thank you for watching.